Hi there, this is Simon from Go Wireless, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of 3 of the latest access points from Grandstream networks. First up is the GWN7602. Now this access point can't be configured as a master, so will need to be either provisioned by another Grandstream access point or adopted into the GWN cloud. So inside there we get a instruction manual, drill hole guide, as well as the access point itself. So the access point is 802.11ac wave 1, and as we can see it is powered either by PoE or AC. And now this is a good access point for deployments where not only do you need wireless but a couple of extra Ethernet ports as well. Next up is the GWN7630LR, which is their latest outdoor access point. So this one is 802.11ac wave 2, which means it supports MU-MIMO. So instruction manual there. A couple hose clamps for pole mounting, screws and bracket for wall mounting, the access point itself with a port cover there for waterproofing, as well as 4 of these dual band dipole antennas, which simply screw on to the SMA connector. And finally the GWN7630, which is their top of the line indoor access point. So this too is 802.11ac wave 2, so it also supports MU-MIMO. So we've got an instruction manual and warranty information, screws for mounting, the access point itself, a couple Ethernet ports there, and a ceiling and wall mount. Just one note with the Grandstream access points, as you'll see, none of them do come with PoE injectors, so you will need to purchase that or a PoE switch. And that is it today for the unboxing of the latest Grandstream access points. If you'd like more information on these, go to our website www.gowifi.co.nz, or you can always contact us at sales@gowifi.co.nz. Thank you.